Yeah, today is Wednesday and it's prayer time at church. Wednesdays, we normally do an amazing Bible study, but there once Wednesday of every month that we devote, the first Wednesday of every month, that at the Altar Fellowship we devote to prayer and to seeking the Lord together. So if you have any needs that you need prayer for, you want to be blessed, touched, ministered by the Lord, come join us at 7 p.m. the first Wednesday of every month. Oh, you might be saying this is the second Wednesday of every month, but last Wednesday, our plaza where we meet, like the power went off, so we couldn't meet. So that's why we're changing it to this Wednesday, today at 7 p.m. So we are in 1919 Northgate Boulevard, Sarasota, Florida. We will be there for prayer, but we're there every single Wednesday at 7 p.m. and every Sunday at 10 a.m. And we have great time with the Lord and with each other. So consider this an opening back. God bless you. Hopefully see you tonight at 7.